BigCommerce. Welcome to our BigCommerce tutorials. Today, we will learn how to create a cart using Postman in BigCommerce API. Every business operating an e-commerce website needs a shopping cart. Following this process, you can create a cart with all the information you want using Postman in BigCommerce. The process of creating a product includes 3 steps. Step 1, check scope on BigCommerce. Step 2, access Postman. Step 3, create a cart. Now, take the first step, check scope on BigCommerce. In the videos 1 and 2, we showed you how to check the scope, so in this video, I will do it quickly. After checking the scope, we also have to check if the product ID in the store is available, because when declaring the product ID data, the product ID must exist on the BigCommerce store. Now, go to the second step, access to Postman. You have to log into your Postman account. Then, create a new workspace. Let's move on to the last step, create a cart. Now we are prepared to create a new cart. Create a new post with this URL. Replace store hash with your store hash generated on BigCommerce from the API path. 2. In the header section, you need to declare the information. Accept, application JSON. Content type, application JSON. XAuth token, access token. XAuth client, client ID. If this is the first time you make a call in the Postman, you must generate API credentials from the BigCommerce admin account. You can read blog how to create a BigCommerce API account on the BigCommerce website. 2. In the body section. First, you need to click on the body section, then tick it raw to fill the data. Remember to change the text to JSON. Now, you need to declare the information below. Line item. Custom items, only required if adding a custom item to the cart. Gift certificates, only required if adding a gift certificate to the cart. I will show you our examples, and you can create your cart. Note, product ID must exist on the store. To know more about the attributes to declare, follow BigCommerce Dev Center to learn more. After filling in all the information, click the Send button to send the API request. Response: the API will return the data like this. Or, if your input is more detailed with customer ID, channel ID, currency, or locale, you will get more precise results. The above are all steps to create a cart on BigCommerce with Postman. Please comment below or refer to our BigCommerce API documentation if you have any questions. Hopefully, you can do it. With the BigCommerce tutorials series, we can help you save a lot of resources. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the following video about BigCommerce API. If you have any suggestions or questions, let us know in the comment below, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. BigCommerce. Connecting application automating processes.